Hi, do you want to invest in crypto? Stick around because on today's video we'll see 5 steps to start investing in crypto. Consider subscribe and hit that bell to get the latest from our channel. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram. My name is Gil and you're watching Crypto Time channel. So here we have it. The first step, guys, is you have to evaluate and you have to understand, the crypto fundamentals. And what I mean by that is you have to, to know what crypto or what are the crypto assets you want to invest in. Okay, and to do that, you could use, different websites. I brought here to you on today's video 2 of them. I think the most popular. And then we have the first one here, which is the coinmarketcap.com. You can Google it and you land on this page. Okay, and I will go through some of the functionalities and features of this website, which is my personal pick. So here we are. On the top of that page, you will see the number of cryptocurrencies available in the market. So right now, we have over 20,000 cryptocurrencies. So different cryptocurrencies, and almost 500 exchanges. And then we have a total of market cap just under $1 trillion. This is the whole market cap. And then we have the dominance. This is very important as well. It shows that Bitcoin has, over 40% of dominance in the market. While Ethereum has over 15%. Okay, so this is good to know. All right. If we scroll down, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies, and those are filtered by market cap, and then you have the rank. You can play around with the filters, and and that's fine. But filtering that by market cap will show and display the most important and most valuable cryptocurrencies right now. Okay, by rank. So and then Bitcoin first place has been ever since. So here we have it. Then Ethereum on the second place, and so on. Okay, so that's the first screen here. And then let's say you want to invest in Bitcoin, right? But you don't know what Bitcoin is. And I will take the chance, and we have a video explaining in a very simple manner what Bitcoin is. So I will leave the link down in the description. So check it out. All right. But here, what you could do is you have Bitcoin here. You can click from here, or you can go to the search bar and you can type in Bitcoin, and then you already have it here. Okay, there's a search functionality here. All right, but so if you click here, and then I'm just opening in a different tab, then now you have everything you need, of Bitcoin, as information. So we have Bitcoin, and then we have its symbol. So its symbol is BTC. So for those who are familiar with the traditional markets, this is it's kind of the ticker of an asset from the traditional markets. All right. So this Bitcoin symbol is BTC. You can also type in the search bar BTC, and then you're gonna have it. Right. If we go back to the main page, you'll see after the the name of a cryptocurrency, you have its symbol. Okay. So Cardano is ADA, Solana SOL, and then so on. You have you might need that to use when you are actually buying your cryptocurrency, so it's good to know. All right, but if you don't know, you just go to CoinMarketCap and get that information from here. All right. So, and then what we have here is a Bitcoin, and here we can have different links. So link to the Bitcoin page. We have community, some of the cryptocurrencies. We have social media links such as Twitter, Instagram, so on. Right? We have the source code. Some of them, again, they have open source code. So those interests in in code and stuff like that. So just go click there. It probably will be brought to the GitHub page. And we also have here the white paper, which is basically the first document of that project. Okay, so it's all public here. Again, the Bitcoin market cap as of today. Some information about the 24 hours here, and then we have, if we scroll down, we have a very basic chart, but is useful anyway. You can see the price movement of Bitcoin, and then you just need to play with these time frames. So here's a 1 day time frame, and then you can click all times. So then you have it here. So you play around with this, that's fine. So here we have different tabs, so shows markets, historical data, and so on. If we scroll down, then we have information about Bitcoin. Okay, so read more, and then you have what is Bitcoin, then the founders, and all the useful information if you want to understand what you're gonna what you intend to buy, so you can have it from here. Okay. And then you can see the markets, so where you can actually buy Bitcoins. So if you click see all, you see all the exchanges offering Bitcoin. Okay, so the list is huge for Bitcoin. All right, so again, CoinMarketCap, I'm gonna go back to the main page. So CoinMarketCap will guide you through the cryptocurrencies, and you do your own research. All right. The another website is the CoinGecko. So the CoinGecko.com is another one. The idea is the same, similar. So go and check it out as well. So of course there are more out there. I'm not gonna go and show every single one, but I think those two are the most popular. Okay, so feel free to play around and check it out. Okay, so that's the first step then, and then I suppose you come up after your search, you will come up eventually with a list or at least one crypto you want to invest. Now the next step. Now you have a name or a list of names and symbols. Now the next step is where actually to buy those crypto. Okay, and for that we'll move to the second step, which is basically open an account in an exchange. Okay, so you could use a broker to do that, but or you can use an online service such as the crypto exchange to do yourself that. All right, so I will explain how to do in the second option, which is the crypto exchange, online crypto exchange. So I have some of them here. Again, there are tons out there. Bear in mind, at least from my taste, it's good to be on the safe side always, and for that is sometimes consider to to have different accounts, spread eggs in different baskets, all that story. We also have a video about mindset. I will leave that on the description as well. And I will bring the most popular cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, so the first one is the one called Binance. So Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange, okay, so far. Okay, so Binance is the largest one. So that's one example. Then we have another one called Gate.io. So Gate.io is an example of a crypto exchange where you can buy some projects at the very early stages. So even before those projects, are listed in the most popular exchange such as Binance. Okay, so crypto Gate.io is a good option for those searching for very early projects. So that's one of those exchanges. The next one is called FTX, and I think for those thinking about trades, maybe in the future, FTX is used for a lot of traders. They use this platform to trade. Okay, so keep that in mind. FTX is a very good platform for traders. All right, and the next one is a crypto.com. Again, is another exchange, and there is one more called Coinbase. So there is another one called Coinbase. You can actually search for this one as well, and many more. Okay, so but on today's video I will show through Binance website how we can open an account, but the thinking is the same, so the idea is the same for all the others, so that's fine. Okay, so that's then is the second step, is to open an account, and to do that we have to have some preconditions in place, which are basically you have to have an ID with you, right? So they will ask you for a certain type of ID. So person ID could be your driver license, could be your passport, something like that. So you have to have that. You have to have a bank account, because you eventually have to transfer your funds to your account to be able to buy crypto. Okay, so you have to link your bank account with the exchange. All right, and third, you have to have internet connection, secure internet connection. Okay, so those are the three preconditions you have to have before you open an account. All right, so carry on here. Here we are on Binance web page, and then I'm already logged in. This is one of my accounts, and you'll see you probably will end up with the different accounts on different exchanges, which is fine. Most people do that. As a beginner, start off with one. That's fine. Okay. So here we are, and the first thing here we have to do is go through their process of opening an account. I'm not gonna go through the whole process, because again it's very straightforward. You just need to to type in information about you, like address and bank account, all that stuff, and after a couple of days they verify your information, and then they come back to you and with approval. All right, basically that how the whole process happens. So would take like maybe 2-3 days, something like that. Okay, to actually open an account. I'm not gonna cover a tutorial of opening an account. All right, so you do that. It's very straightforward. That's fine. So now we can move to the third step, which is now you have your list of crypto. You just opened an account, and now you can actually transfer funds to your account. So here we are on our account, and then we need to transfer funds to our account. So if you go to buy crypto, and here we have some options, from Binance, where I will pay with US dollars. You can change your currency to euros or whatever currency might be. You have a huge list of currencies. So go ahead and select your currency. Okay, US dollars, for instance. So and then it gives me these options right here. So I could do a bank deposit. I could use my credit debit card to do that, or in peer-to-peer trading, or even a third-party payment. Okay, if you change to euros, and then it gives us cash balance as well. So then that depends on your currency. You have more or less options. So you will do that. So that's why they will ask you for a bank account. So you're gonna basically transfer the amount of money you want to transfer to Binance account, and then that particular fund you be on your wallet. Okay, so and then once you get the funds into Binance, you will get notifications, and then you can go and check your wallets. So if you go to wallet here, and then you have overview, if you click, and then you see fiat and spot. So that's the main tab you're gonna use. So you can go to overview, and then if you click, mine is hidden at the moment, but you'll see your balance right here. Okay, and you can actually change your options right here as well, and check only fiat and spot if you want. Like, don't you worry about the terminology. I'm not gonna cover every single terminology here, but we're gonna keep our minds on the fiat and spot here. Okay, so we're gonna forget all the other bits and bobs here. All right, so let's go back to the main website, the main page. So then you go through the process of transferring funds to your account. That's fine. Now you have the money available in your account. So now you're good to go and buy actually your first coins, your first crypto.